Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn how to make a post request API call using the fetch in React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically what I have done, I have created a form. Okay, so here you can see that this is the form. So whenever I put the details, I will call the API of the Node.js. After this one, I'm going to send all the parameters from the body, that is name or the email, from React Native to the backend, and then console that parameters that is coming or not. Okay, because after that, rest of the process is done by the backend. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. Before, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So currently here you can see that. Let me brighten the screen. Okay, let me add the name. Suppose I'm adding Rajnikant and the email is Royal, this one. So when I do the submit over here, okay, here you can see that submit, fetch data received successfully, and in the console here you can see that the name and the email received in the backend part. Okay, so now here you can see we have the API. So currently we'll do the submit. So here we are logging the console. Okay, after this, here you can see that you can perform the further validation of the database operations, whether you want to save it to the database or whatever you can do, then return the response, that is form data received successfully. Okay, so this is the Node.js API part. So this is the code for that one, and the last one that we have to listen on the which port. Okay, and the first, at the beginning, you require the express, this line and this two lines. Okay, so you have to add. After that, the API is done in the backend part. Okay, let's go to the front end part. So here we go with the front end. So here we have added the front end code for the API call. So here we go with this one. So React and the use state from the React. This is all from the React Native, that is view, text input, button, text, style sheet and the image. So here we have the first use state we are using. The by default both are empty, and the same we initialize with the state with success message, and the set success message within the use state, that is also again empty. And the handle change, so here we are going to set the data in the form, okay, with the name and the values. So name and the email will set over here. Okay, when we do the handle change, there is a, after this handle change, we are going to the your Node.js API endpoint to call the Node.js. So fetch the method headers and the body with the stringified. Okay, so you have to send the form data over here, then response, assuming that the API returns the success message upon successful submission. So when whatever the data it's coming up, whether it's to be a message, whether it's to be a anything, you can say. So I have set that into the data dot message. I get the value from the message, data dot message. You know that in the API we have returning the message. Okay, then set that one. Okay, if something goes wrong, it will go to the error. Okay, so here this is the UI. So text input, handle change, that is name, then handle change, that is email, and the button for the handle submit. So if there is a success message, then we are going to show the success message. If not, then we are going to show a null message. Okay, so this is how you can completely do you can say the post API call into your React Native. And this is a style sheet I will show you. This is what I have done. Okay, the complete app file. Okay, so now you are able to call the REST APIs or the Node.js API with the help of in the React Native, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.